Hey y'all, well I have got a very quick unboxing to do, and you can see I've already started it. This is a second Christmas present to my husband, from my husband, and I did already open it. By the way, I didn't cut my hair off, I just got my hair in a ponytail, so there. So I did already open it, but I didn't open it all the way. So it is a Mackenzie-Childs 5-quart casserole in the courtly check enamel, and I love Mackenzie-Childs. So it's, first of all, look at this beautiful box with the little roses and flowers on it, and I'm just so excited. So I'm just gonna open it because as I started opening it, my husband said, "Do you want to wait and do an unboxing?" I said, "Do you mind?" He said, "No, hon, go do an unboxing." So here it is. He's not here. All right, so I got to this far, getting it out of the box. Yay! That's what it looks like. So that's some serious rubber bandage, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that rubber band. I'm going to use that for something. What a great present. I like the rubber band. It's sort of like the kid that loves the package and the bow more than the very expensive gift you got him. 2 rubber bands. Can't wait to think what I could use that for. Okay, so let's see what the charm is on top. My, I think it's called 1 quart. Is it 1 quart or 2 quart pot? Is the one with the handle. And I believe these are real brass handles, and they're brush brass handles. And they have the Mackenzie-Childs name stamped in them. That, I have the actual handle that goes out. And on top is a bird, just like my coffee kettle, water kettle. So let's see. Sometimes it is a flower, sometimes it is a nest. Oh, it's a flower! Look! Can y'all see that? Oh, how pretty! Can y'all see that? I'm going to kind of put it in an angle so you can see it. And that way so that you can see it. Do you see it? Isn't that pretty, y'all? What a gorgeous piece. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I wanted. I love beautiful cookware. My husband has a whole set of Pampered Chef, which is a really expensive set. But we bought it because a friend of ours was an at-home mom and she was trying to make a living. We said, okay, let's give her a really big order. I always like to do that. If somebody's like Mary Kay or Noonday or just whoever they are, Rothschild or whatever it is, skincare. A lot of the reason that it's so expensive, y'all, is because it builds about 40 to half of the percentage in there for that person to make a living working at home. I don't mind helping get people started on stuff like that. So, but this is full retail. This is, I'm putting my face in it so you can see how big it is. Oh my gosh. I am going to either make a chicken casserole or maybe spaghetti sauce. And the other pot used for the noodles. I'm so excited. One of the main reasons I wanted to do an unboxing is because I'm ready to get this on my stove. It's just so pretty. So let's see. Let me tell you something about it. This is the very famous courtly check. Like you're in a regal court or something. And from stovetop to tabletop, courtly check cookware makes the transition with more than a dash of panache. Imagine how your favorite culinary creations will stand out when they're served in a dish bedecked with our signature black and white check pattern. And to top it all off, our favorite springtime motifs are transformed into delightful knobs and unique as they are useful. Yeah, every one of the pots or pans is different. I do want to get the one that also has the nest, a bird's nest, with little legs in it, I think. It's composed of heavyweight steel. I know you don't want to just look at my face. Heavyweight steel, underbody glazed twice, when hand painted with our signature courtly checked design. So these are hand painted. I think it just said underbody glazed twice. That's why it's so shiny. And it's steel, so it's heavy. Bronzed stainless steel rims are added to the body and the lid with 18/10 stainless steel knobs, handles. Okay, so it's stainless steel. That's what this is. And they're bronzed, not brass. The enamel finish is stain and chip resistant. Our cookware is designed to use on all cooktops, including ceramic, gas, electric, induction, radiant, and is oven safe up to 400 degrees. So even you're looking at going, Beth, can that thing go in there? Yes, it's steel. It can go in there. For best results, they're designed for non-stick finish utensils. Yeah. So just like the Pampered Chef, instead of using the regular stuff you get from the grocery store that's got metal, just get the stuff that's got the Teflon tipped so that you don't scratch it. Even though it's scratch resistant. They just are telling you best results. Don't use something that you're going to use over and over and over, scooping and scooping. Eventually, yes, that could break it down. Do not place empty pan on a hot burner and allow contents to boil dry. I actually have done that before, so yes, thanks for the reminder. Pot holder or glove is when handling hotware. That's because this will get hot. That's stainless. That does not have any finish on it that's going to keep it like temp cool to your hand. It says allow pots to cool before running under water or refilling, washing. Warm sudsy water or with a soft cloth, sponge, nylon pad. Do not use metal scouring pads, as this will scratch the surface of the enamel. And you're thinking, well, gosh, it's so strong. Well, it is, but I mean, you don't want to scratch it, you know. And by the way, just FYI, to clean burned on foods, add water and baking soda. Boil to allow to cool before cleaning. If metal marking occurs, it may be removed by gently rubbing with a paste of baking soda and water. Acidic food may dull the surface of the enamel, but will not otherwise damage it. So, acidic food, meaning, I guess, tomato sauce, may make it a little yellowed over years of use in here. I doubt it. I doubt it will. You know, I guess if that's all you ever use this for, tomatoes are very acidic. And some people have said that's why you shouldn't eat them as a fruit. They are very acidic. And remember, they are not a vegetable. Actually, they are a fruit with very high acid. And while there's some good vitamins and stuff, you could get that elsewhere. Because the acidity of them is just really not good on your pH or something like that. I don't remember. But anyway. So that's it. That's my unboxing. What do you think? Comment below if you like Mackenzie-Childs or if you've ever heard of it. Again, this is kind of one of those luxury cookware pieces. And it's kind of a once in a lifetime thing that you purchase these and then you take care of them for the rest of your life because they're quite, sort of like a luxury handbag. They're one of those things you enjoy. Could you cook in anything? Absolutely. Rachel Ray or just whatever you get at the grocery store. I've done that before. You know, the pieces that I use that I've gotten at the grocery store. This is just a luxury. It's just a really nice little treat, and that's why my husband got it for me. He wanted to get me a little treat. I actually wanted to show you this up close. They stamped the handle with the name. I don't know if you can see that. Both the handles. And on the bottom is the name. It looks like a serial number. It is an art piece, just so you know. So yes, that actually is a serial number. And then this, I don't know if you can see that up close or not. So let me do this and see if it will focus. I don't know if it will or not. So that you can kind of see the detail. It's really a pretty, real pretty work. Somebody worked real hard on this. And I appreciate this piece of art. And even when I'm not cooking it, once I've washed it off and everything, I'm going to sit it back on my stove instead of put it away in the shelves. Because I think it's just it's a pretty piece to sit out in your kitchen. It looks nice. So anyway, that's all. I just thought I would share that with you. And I look so funny with my little ponytail in the back. You can't see my hairs. Okay, y'all, I got to go. Love you. Bye.